Good morning, my dear students. Today I am going to teach you about the objective questions in diabetic class. Already you have learnt about the monohybrid class, incomplete dominance, and co-dominance. So these are the questions from diabetic class. Okay. What is the first question? In a typical diabetic class, the fraction of F2 similar to parents phenotypically is. In a typical dihybrid cross, the fraction of F2 similar to parents phenotypically is. How many progenies are found in this checkerboard F2 generation? 16 progeny. So each row is consist of 4. 4 into 4, 16 progeny. Suppose 16 progenies are there. Among these 16 progeny, how many of the progenies are exhibit the parental characters? Look at here, round yellow, phenotypically similar, round yellow second, round yellow third, round yellow fourth. This is the fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9. Wrinkled green is also there in the parental type. So this is another one. So 9 plus 1, 10. What's the question? In a typical diabetic class, the fraction of F2 similar to parents phenotypically or the 10 by 16. Among the 16, 10 are phenotypically similar. Okay? Similar to the parents. What is the next question? The fraction of double homozygous, double dominant individuals in the F2 generation. The fraction of double homozygous, double dominant individuals. Double homozygous, double dominant. How many are there? Double homozygous. Look at here in this box. The capital A, capital R, one homozygous. Capital A, second homozygous. So double homozygous, double dominant. Is there any other progeny other than this? No. Only one. Double homozygous, double dominant individuals in the F2 of diabetic class is only one. What are the given options? 9 by 16, option B 4 by 16, option C 2 by 16, option D 1 by 16. Among the 16 progeny, one progeny is a double homozygous, double dominant individual. Okay, is it clear? Next question is the phenotypic ratio of F2 generation in a diabetic class is the phenotypic ratio. Phenotypic ratio. What are the given options? Option A 9:3:3:1. Option B 9:1:3:3. Option C 1:3:4:0. Option D 3:1:3:1. Among these, round yellow, how many are there? This is round yellow, 1, round yellow, round yellow, round yellow. Like round yellow, how many are there? 9. Okay. This is what about this? Wrinkled yellow. Wrinkled yellow is the recombinant. Wrinkled yellow, 3. This is a wrinkled yellow, wrinkled yellow. Okay, and another one, the wrinkled yellow. 3. Okay. And wrinkled, that's round green. Round green, how many are there? 3. Wrinkled green, how many? 1. So what is the phenotypic ratio? 9:3:3:1. Among these 16 progeny, 9 are round yellow, 9 are the round yellow, 3 are wrinkled. This is smaller, capital I is indicates that represent the small r, capital R means round, small r means wrinkled, capital I means yellow, smaller, capital I, wrinkled yellow. How many wrinkled yellow? Okay, and next here, look at here, the capital R, small y, capital R means round, small y, capital Y means yellow, small y means green. So round and green 3. Okay, wrinkled green 3. So among these options, which option is the correct answer? Yeah, option A is the correct answer. 9:3:3:1. Next, the genotypic ratio of F2 generation in diabetic cross is. What are the given options? The given options: option A 9:3:3:1. Option B 1:2:2:2:4:1:2:1:2:1. Option C both A and B. Option D 1:1. So the genotypic ratio is 1:2:2:2:4:1:2:1:2:1. Option B is the correct answer. Okay, next question is the number of recombinants in a F2 generation of diabetic cross. The number of recombinants. Among these 16 progeny, how many of the progenies are exhibit the new characters? 9 plus 1 or exhibit the parental characters. Among the 16 progeny, cannot exhibit the parental characters. Remaining how many progeny are there? 6 are the recombinants. Look at here, this is one recombinant, and the second recombinant, third recombinant, fourth recombinant, fifth recombinant, and sixth recombinant. So 6 recombinants are there. 6 by 16. Then what are the options given here? The option A 9 by 16, option B 4 by 16, option C 2 by 16, option D 6 by 16. Option D is the correct answer. 6 are the recombinants. Option D is correct answer. Next question is the number of kinds of phenotypes in F2 generation of Mendel's diabetic cross. What is the question? Number of kinds of phenotypes in F2 generation of Mendel's diabetic cross. The number of phenotypes. How many phenotypes are there? Round yellow is one phenotype. This is one phenotype. Round yellow, 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 round yellow. One phenotype. 9 are there. All these 9 are same phenotype. And next, the smaller, capital I. So this is a wrinkled yellow. Wrinkled yellow, how many are there? This is one wrinkled yellow, second one, and third wrinkled. That is one phenotype. Okay, next it's over. Wrinkled yellow. And this is round green. Round green is another phenotype, third phenotype. Wrinkled green, one phenotype. So altogether, how many phenotypes are there? 4 phenotypes. Round yellow is one. Round yellow is one phenotype. Wrinkled yellow is one phenotype. Round green is one phenotype. Wrinkled green is one phenotype. So altogether 4 phenotypes are there. So what are the given options? The one is 4, 2 is 5, 3 is 6. The fourth option is 8. So first option among these, the first option is the correct answer. First option is correct answer. The number of kinds of phenotypes are 4. Recombinants means third option is the correct answer. Is it clear? Okay, thank you, my dear students.